We're at the National Hardware Show checking out some of the cool things at the show, and that brought me to the Camp Chef booth. Check this out. Now, this is one of those little preparing at dinner systems that everyone's going to be talking about here. We've got the Pro 60X here. I've got Brandon here. Brandon, tell me a little bit more about this.
Yeah, so this is where our history comes from. This is our original stove style. It comes from our 14-inch system, as you can see right down here. That means all of our 14-inch accessories fit on it. Has two 30,000 BTU burners, 60,000 BTUs total, all the power you could ever want. You can quickly and easily use it as a grill with this cast iron grate. It sears, it holds the heat really well. You can turn it low and slow and do breakfast. You can change it any way you want. You can take these off. We have pizza accessories you can put on here, cook pizza. It's kind of your all-in-one, do anything you ever wanted to do outdoors and portable.
And I see, of course, when the cover becomes kind of a side table, can a person put a little weight on that and like cut up your vegetables and such?
Absolutely. Yeah, you got hold 50 pounds, no problem.
Oh, nice. So, and now how does this all fold up for storage?
So all the legs are part of it. They fold right up in. They also have leg levelers built into them, so most camping isn't in a perfectly flat environment.
Yeah, for sure.
Luckily, when you're griddle cooking, you want to get it perfectly level. You have the ability to do that. But it's ready to use out of the box, too. You literally just fold the legs out and cook. There's no assembly, nothing you have to do. It's ready to roll right out of the box.
Awesome. If people want to find out more information, where can they go to check this out?
Campchef.com.
That sounds great. We'll put that link in the description below so you guys can go out and check this out.
For more tips and how-to videos, go to weekendhandyman.com.